Hey Jordan, do you prefer windows down or the AC?
AC for sure.
Convertible or sunroof?
Ooh, sunroof.
What about a K5 or Sportage?
K5 especially.
All right. Road trip or fly?
Road trip all day.
Okay. And leasing a vehicle or purchasing a vehicle?
Ooh, gonna go with the lease.
Hey Caleb, windows down or AC?
Windows down.
Convertible or sunroof?
Convertible.
K5 or Sportage?
Probably the Sportage.
Road trip or fly?
I'll do road trip.
Do you prefer to lease a vehicle or purchase a vehicle?
I prefer to purchase it.
Hey Jamil, windows down or AC?
Definitely AC.
Convertible or sunroof?
Convertible, I think.
K5 or Sportage?
Definitely K5.
Are you a road trip person or you prefer to fly?
Definitely road trips.
All right, and then purchasing or leasing a vehicle?
Leasing.
Leasing? Perfect. Hey Anna, windows down or AC?
Windows down.
Convertible or sunroof?
Convertible.
K5 or Sportage?
K5.
Do you prefer road trips or flying?
Road trips.
How about purchasing versus leasing a vehicle?
Purchasing.
Purchasing. Hey Micah, windows down or AC?
AC.
Convertible or sunroof?
Sunroof.
K5 or Sportage?
Oh, K5.
Do you prefer road trips or flying?
Road trips.
If you're getting a vehicle, do you prefer to purchase or lease?
Purchase.
So are you guys an AC kind of person, a sunroof kind of person? Do you prefer to purchase, prefer to lease? What's your favorite Kia model? Let us know. Let us know in the comments here. Otherwise, contact us here at 262-444-5445. We can set you up with an appointment to look at any used or new vehicle that we have in our lot. Otherwise, take care. Happy summer. We'll see you guys soon.